Welcome. Now we'll see how to conduct online test on Moodle. So I logged in with my user credentials. Suppose I want to conduct a quiz under training and placement tab. Just click there. Then you'll find the course here as suppose demo. Click there. Then you'll find the lots of topic as per the schedules. So I will just turn editing on, clicking on this button at the right side corner. Then I want to assign a quiz here. I click here. Then in the activities, find quiz. Just click there. Then click on add button. So you have to assign a name for your quiz. Suppose aptitude preparation. Then below you'll find timings. Here you can assign the time by which the students can start the test. So suppose I want to conduct test on 14th July 2016. So I'll just click on enable button, and I want to start the course, uh, the test at 4 p.m. suppose, so that I can choose the timing as 4 p.m. and the same day the quiz will end after 1 hour. So I'll just enable this, and choose here the end time. So suppose it's 5, and here you have to enable the timing for course. So suppose it's a 60 minutes. Then after that, when time expires, sometimes students are busy in solving the questions. They don't look for the timings. So at that time you can just say the option like this: open attempts are automatically submitted, so that student, if they crosses the limit of time, then their attempts, solved attempts, will be considered for grading. Then in grade, this option is very important. If you choose this unlimited, the student can solve the test again and again in the assigned schedule. So I will make some restriction there that students can only one time sit for the test. Okay, then I'll go with layout. So see here, question order as shown on the edit screen, and suppose you'll have 10 questions. Then how many questions to be displayed on a single page? So I will choose this every 5 questions option. So if I have 10 questions, 2 pages I will get as in links. On first page I will get 5 questions, and on second page I will get 5 questions. Then go for the next option, that is question behavior. So if you want to do shuffling within the questions so that students cannot make copy like thing, so every student will every student will get sequencing of the questions different. Then how questions behave, choose this as default feedback. Then go to the next option, that is review option, and just click on or disable the other options. So the students can only view their marks after submitting the test. Then go for the appearance. So you want the grade in decimals or floats. So you can assign the decimal places here. Then suppose I don't want the decimal places, so I'll make it as 0. Then go for the next option, that is extra restriction on attempts. So here suppose you want to provide a quiz password so that the students can start the test by entering the password. So if they fail to get the password, they cannot start the test. So that depends on you whether you are going to set the password or not. Suppose I set my password as like this. You can see the password by clicking here, as 123 is my password to start the test. After that, I will just click on this button, save and return to course. So my quiz has been added here, right? So this is everything about the quiz settings. Now we'll see how to put or add your questions for the quiz is the second part. So now I will minimize this. Then I have an application named as Moodle Question Editor. So here have the link for this. So I'll just click on that, then click on run button. Then you'll find the interface like this. You type your questions here, suppose like this. Then you'll have 4 options as 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose for this question the right option is B, so that you can check the button the right corner. So this option is the right option. If the student chooses any other options, that will be a wrong option. So this is question 1. Then suppose this question is second. I will provide here the correct option by clicking here. Then I'll save the quiz. So the quiz will be saved as .xml file. So suppose I'll give a name 456 and I'll save this file on the desktop. Just click on save. Close this application. Here this XML file you have to upload for your desired quiz. So now what you have to do is in the left side corner you'll find a question bank option. Just click on import button. Then you'll find lots of formats here. So we'll go for this format, Moodle XML format. Then you choose a file you want to assign the questions, the file that you created in Moodle question editor 456.xml. So I added a file here. Once you click on import button, all the questions from that file will get added here. So just click on continue. Then you'll find the courses here. You find the questions here that you added from the file. Then select those questions and then click on this button, move to default for demo 2. So that will do what? That will do what? That will add your questions to the quiz so that you can go to a particular quiz and see whether the options are working correctly or not. So training and placement, then go for demo. That this is your activity. Then I'll click on edit quiz button. Then maximum grade, suppose 2, because I have only 2 questions. Then you have to add questions from here. So click on add button, then choose a second option as from question bank. Then I will select these 2 questions, and by clicking on this option add selected questions to the quiz, the questions are going to be added. So you can assign the marks for these questions also. By default it is considering the mark as 1 for a single question. So maximum grade is 2. Then click on save button. So that's it, the quiz has been added. You want to preview your test, then the left side corner you'll find a preview button. Just click on that. Here you have to provide the password which we provided in the settings time. So password is 123. Click on continue so that you can see the questions here. So suppose I select this option and click on next button, submit all and finish. So this is a task for the students to do. After that they will get the marks for the quiz. Thank you for listening.